Today we're going to go over the Universal Plus Bosch Mixer Black Edition. We're going to go over what you're going to find in the box, the tools that are included, how to use the mixer, how to clean the mixer, and how to set up the mixer. Now let's get into it. Here on the display box, you're going to notice a seal. This seal is stating that there's a free dough hook extender inside of your Bosch mixer, and that the only people that have handled it is us. In order to open up your display box, please break this seal. You're going to notice that there is an extra cardboard piece. This was to help make sure that your stainless steel bowl was kept in pristine condition. You're also going to notice a dough hook extender, the Universal Quick Start Guide, user manuals, and an included bowl scraper. The stainless steel bowl is going to be connected to the base of your Universal Bosch Black Mixer. We are going to turn it clockwise until it releases and pull it up. We are now going to take out the protective cardboard sleeve protecting our base. We are now going to take out the Universal Bosch base from our display box. Here is your black Universal Bosch mixer out of its box. Let's go over the things you're going to find inside. First is our standard dough hook. You will also find our stainless steel bowl, 2 wire whips, a plastic whip drive, and splash ring and lid. You are also going to find a dough hook extender. The only difference between a white and a black Universal Bosch mixer is the color of the mixer and the bowl that it comes with. The stainless steel bowl can only handle around 10 pounds of dough. However, it is very high quality and very, very sturdy, and is great for doing cold things such as whipped cream, meringue, and butter. The stainless steel bowl is also a lot easier to clean and has great heat distribution. To attach our stainless steel bowl to the base, we are going to attach our drive shaft to the corresponding drivetrain on our motor. Once it is on and placed, we are going to turn it to counterclockwise until we hear a click. Your bowl is now secured to the base of your Bosch mixer. You're going to notice on your Bosch mixer a high-speed drive. Also looks like a tower. On top of that is a cap. This cap is very important. If this cap is not secured while you're trying to mix, your motor will not turn on. This is a safety feature that Bosch has included. This area is for an optional blender attachment if you choose to do so. To make sure that your cap is secure on your Bosch mixer, place it with the tab in the corresponding spot and press down until you hear a click. To pop cap off, we are going to take our thumb, place it on the tab, and push down until you hear it click. Your cap is now released. Let's go into the purpose of the attachments included with your Bosch mixer. Here is our standard dough hook. This is going to be for mixing and kneading bread doughs and heavy cookie dough. This attachment is built to help fold and stretch your dough, so as it's mixing, it's kneading at the same time, perfect for bread. Your wire whisks are going to be used for light dry ingredients and pourable batters. The plastic whip drive is what you're going to use to attach those whisks to your motor. Your splash ring is going to be used for keeping things inside the bowl so they don't fly out as you're mixing. This is your lid. This is for if you want to fully contain whatever's in your bowl. The standard dough hook included with your Bosch mixer is meant for larger batches of bread dough. If you're looking to only do 1 to 4 batches, please use our dough hook extender. This helps with smaller batches and the kneading involved in it. To attach the dough hook extender to your standard dough hook, please make sure that the fin on the dough hook and the dough hook extender are flush with each other. We are then going to fit it on top of our drive shaft until it is seated properly. You'll notice seated properly when the drive shaft is flush with your standard dough hook. You'll notice on your black Universal Plus Bosch mixer that there are 4 different speed options. Speed 1 is going to be used for stirring or for incorporating ingredients slowly. Speed 2 and 3 will be used for kneading your heavy doughs or cookie doughs, and speed 4 will be used for whipping egg whites or whipped cream. The pulse function will be used for quick stir or quick incorporation of ingredients. To attach your wire whisks to the plastic whip drive, we are going to take this top piece and connect it with the corresponding arm until you hear a click. We're then going to align it with our drive shaft and make sure that it's properly seated. To To attach the splash ring to your Bosch bowl, we are going to locate the 4 areas on the splash ring that correspond with the tabs on the stainless steel. We're going to place those on and turn until you hear a click. To place the lid on the splash ring, we're going to do the same thing, finding the corresponding tabs, lining them up with the splash ring, and turning counterclockwise until secure. For the cleaning of your Bosch mixer, the standard dough hook is a hand wash item only. Do not put this in your dishwasher. The wire whisks and the plastic whip drive are dishwasher safe, but please ensure that they're on the top rack to avoid warping. The splash ring and lid of your Bosch mixer are also dishwasher safe. Please ensure that they are on the top rack to avoid warping. Before you wash your stainless steel bowl, please make sure that your drive shaft is taken out. We're going to line up this pin right here with the tabs at the top of our drive shaft. Flip it over, find these 2 plastic fins and turn it counterclockwise until it's released. Your bowl is now ready to be cleaned. The drive shaft is hand wash only. Your stainless steel bowl is dishwasher safe. For the cleaning of the base of your black Bosch mixer, we recommend a damp cloth. Your dough hook extender is dishwasher safe. Please make sure it's on the top rack to avoid warping. To reattach the drive shaft to your bowl, we are going to take the drive shaft, put it through the center column, making sure that that pin fits through the top. Once it is through, we are going to turn these plastic fins clockwise until you hear a click. You may notice a white or gray grease on your Bosch mixer. Please know that this is FDA food grade grease and can be washed off. Your Universal Plus Black Bosch is going to have a cord storage area. To use this, we're going to take our cord and slowly feed it into the storage. The Universal Black Bosch mixer is perfect for someone looking for a sleek kitchen mixer to sit on top of their counter. With the black coloring and a stainless steel bowl, it looks great and is also super functional. With its bottom drive 500-watt motor, this thing can do heavy batches of doughs, cookie doughs, cake batters, mashed potatoes, or even shredding of meats. The Black Universal Plus Bosch mixer is a workhorse in the kitchen and looks great.